Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check OS version, free disk space, and that you have admin rights. Once done, download the correct VS Code installer for your platform and verify the download integrity when possible, because corrupted downloads break setup. Run the installer as administrator and select the option to add code to path. This makes launching from terminal quick. Make sure to accept recommended settings for first-time users, so extensions and file associations are configured automatically. You now configure VS Code for productive work. Open it and run the welcome tour to learn the UI. Next, install core extensions for your language, Git, and a theme. Once installed, enable auto-update to keep them current. Customize settings via Settings UI or Settings. JSON, for example, editor. Font size, tab size, and format on save, because consistent formatting saves time. Make sure to set the integrated terminal shell to your preferred one. This ties the editor to your command line workflow. You finish by opening a project folder, initializing Git, and adding a sensible Git ignore so version control behaves predictably. Then create a debug configuration and tasks. JSON for build and run steps. This saves repetitive commands and ensures reproducible runs. Once done, test run and debug and confirm breakpoints work. If VS Code doesn't launch or behaves oddly, check the logs, help toggle developer tools. Start in safe mode or disable extensions, and reinstall if needed to resolve corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.